since we are doing this for love, right? You all have to thinking, if you're gonna stand there, does your face can show you are in love? Can you? Can you put that kind of projection to your face when you stand there? You are show the heaven and the earth you are in love. Can you? Will you? Think this way. Then when you stand there, will be much what called the quality will change, right? We say quality, quantity. Otherwise, 10 minutes. But if you show, put your love, you receive, you feel, and project to your face, then quality change. Your 1 minute might equal to 100 hours because quality is different, all right? Thinking this way, I think it will help you, all right?